Health through breath, find your calm. Feeling overwhelmed? Discover the power of your breath to melt away stress and find inner peace. Let's explore simple yet effective breathing techniques together. We often overlook the power of our breath. Focusing on controlled breathing can significantly impact our mental and emotional state. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Diaphragmatic breathing or deep belly breathing maximizes oxygen intake. Imagine gentle waves as you breathe. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply, feeling your abdomen rise, and exhale slowly. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. This technique is a powerful tool for relaxation. Picture serene nature scenes as you practice. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Repeat this cycle 4 times to calm your mind and body. Box breathing is used by athletes and military personnel to sharpen focus. Visualize rhythmic squares expanding and contracting. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold again for 4. Continue this pattern for several minutes. Nadi Shodhana balances your body's energy. Imagine diverging paths of air flowing through each nostril. Close one nostril and inhale through the other, then switch. Continue this pattern for several minutes to calm your mind. Combine breath with visualization for enhanced relaxation. Picture tranquil landscapes as you breathe. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize a calming scene. Immerse yourself in this peaceful state, focusing on your breath and imagery. Consistency is key. Practice these techniques daily, even for a few minutes. Find a quiet, comfortable space free from distractions. Stay present during your practice, gently guiding your focus back to your breath when your mind wanders. Breathing is a simple yet profound tool for stress management. Diverse people are already experiencing the benefits. Incorporate these techniques into your daily routine to cultivate calm and well-being. Ready to transform your health? Start with a single breath. Try one of these techniques today and share your experience in the comments below. Subscribe for more wellness tips and embark on your journey to a calmer, healthier you.